Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks Coilanit. First of all, draw the circle from origin to circle draw. Now go to Smart Dimension. This circle dimension diameter 40 and this circle dimension 20. Okay. Now go to draw the another two circle. Now go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 10 and this circle dimension 30. This point and this point distance 80. Okay, select. Now go to this point, control this point, particle. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now this circle and this circle select. Now select this point. Now give the number of 3. Okay. Now go to line select. Select here and here arc. Select line. This line control this circle tangent. This point control this circle coincident. This line control this circle tangent. This point control this circle coincident. Okay, just move. Now go to smart dimension. This dimension 30. Okay. Now go to construction line. Draw the from origin. Construction line and midline from origin. Select. Now go to smart dimension. This line and this line degree 7. Okay. Select. This line control this line equal. This arc control this line tangent. Okay. Now go to circular pattern and select this line, this arc, this line. Give the number of below 3. Okay. Okay. Now go to offset. Now select this line. Just select chain, remove, revert this line and this circle, this line and this line, this circle and this circle, this line, this line and this line and this circle. Now give the value here 8. Okay. Now go to extend select this line extend. Now select extend this line extend and this line and this line and this line and this line. Okay, select. Now go to trim tools. Now, now cut hair, hair and hair. This line and this line cut. Now again here, this line cut, this line. Now I am going to Control Z, Control Z click, Control Y, Control Y. Now I am going to offset only one side. This line, this circle and this line. Okay. Now go to trim. No need all side, just one side. Okay. Now go to extend select this line and this line. Select. Now go to trim here, cut again. Now go to power trim, select, cut this circle. Okay. Just move here. This line control, this line parallel. This line and this line between 8. Okay. Now go to fillet. Now here select fillet below 4. This line and this arc. Okay. Now here give the below 6. This arc and this line and this line and this arc. Okay. Now go to trim, cut here. Okay. Now go to select. Now go to select chain, circular pattern. Now give the value 3. You just select here for fully defined. Okay. 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 Our job complete. Now you can add degrees, this line and this line. Okay, 14. Okay, select. Make our job. Thank you all, everyone. You can haircut this, trim the cut hair and hair. Okay, select. Now everything is okay. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.